can you repeat my password? I think it's not working. Maybe I didn't.
Srini, SF training, and your username is S. This is your username. Yes.
Okay. To some reason, I'm not able to log on.
Okay, let me look in. I'll look into it, Srini. I'll drop an email. Probably like I'll log in into your user account, and I'll change the password and share the credentials with you.
Raghu?
Yeah, Shiva.
In SAP we have AC38 for the development, right? And do we have anything kind of any development?
No, nothing, Shiva. We don't have any development as such, but we do work on the XML files. It's not like a complete full-fledged development thing or nothing like a language specific to success factors, but we do work on like XML to change the things in the required fashion. I don't call that as a full-fledged development, but it is some sort of a development activity in a limited development environment, Shiva.
We need to write a code to pull the employee rate, right? So, and how do we pull that employee ratings here?
It's all like you need to, if you are pulling it into a different module, right? You have the integration options available between those two things. I'll show you how to integrate your performance and your goals with performance with your compensation. But as such, we don't need to write any code, Shiva.
Okay.
Yeah, there is no option also to write the code.
Yeah, then what is the development in administration tool? There is a tool, right? I mean, development.
No, there is no, as such, there is no development, Shiva.
Okay.
Yeah, only thing is like XML files. That's what we are going to do. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Raghu, I have a question. Raghu, what is the life?
Good.
Yeah, go ahead, Shweta.
Raghu, what is the life of? Yes, Raghu, what is the life of time and payroll in SAP? I mean, by what time can we expect the migration, the full migration? Of
no, I don't think so. As of now, I don't have any info. In fact, like SAP doesn't have any roadmap with respect to your time and payroll as such, Shweta.
And what about the life of organization management and personal administration?
That's 2020.
Oh, yeah. Because most of it has migrated to success factor.
Yeah. That's 2020. It was long back they released the roadmap with respect to those modules, and with respect to time and payroll, I don't think so. They don't have anything as such, at least at this moment. But probably they will come up in a couple of maybe going forward. I don't know like what is their strategy.
And Raghu, what about ESS and MSS?
ESS, MSS also I can say it is up to 2020 only, Shweta. Yeah.
Oh, thanks so much, Raghu.
Yeah, okay, Shweta, yeah, no worries. Yeah, Moshin, you were asking something?
Raghu, what is it until 20?
I cannot log in. I don't know what's going on, but I have tried so many times with even the new passport you sent yesterday. It just won't get me through.
Oh, no, let me reset everyone's password and I'll share your credentials, guys.
No, Rahul, don't reset. Mine is okay, right?
Okay, cool.
Yeah, not mine also, Raghu.
Okay, cool. Yeah, you are lucky, guys.
Mine.
Raghu, this is free. I'm sure. So don't
Even mine also working, Raghu. Don't do it.
Yeah, okay.
Raghu, this is Ajay. I'm sorry. Can you reset my password? It says your password is missing.
Sure.
Don't reset mine. Sorry, Raghu. Since Saturday, I've not been able to log in again. Raghu?
Raghu,
Yeah,
what you're
yeah.
saying until the support till 20.
No, that is with respect to the SAP HCM system, guys.
Okay, so after 2020 there will be no support from SAP.
Yeah, there is no maintenance SAP HCM. Yeah, on-premise system.
There is only compensation management, right, Raghu?
No, it's not compensation. Your time and payroll is the ones that are still can survive on SAP HCM for some more time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Raghu, can you resend the password again?
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that, Ajay. I am doing that. I am doing yours only.
Raghu.
This is your new password, Ajay.
So, Raghu, you said ESS, MSS 2020, but they have been investing a lot in the HR info.
No, they are doing that because, like, frankly speaking, they thought like much. What do you say? Like, they thought that the success factor is going to be like a huge success for them, but it didn't turn out in that fashion. It didn't meet their expectations. That is the reason. Like, still they are.
Lot of public sector clients, they are not going for success factor.
No, yeah. Yeah, but like ultimately they will not be able to run both the systems, guys. Yes, still like any system, right? If they are talking about cloud, right? People hesitate to go to cloud because of the security reason. But that's a misconception, guys. It doesn't mean that, frankly speaking, the data is more secure than it was in your data center.
Mm-hmm. But still, Raghu, there are a lot of projects, on organization management also and ESS, MSS.
Yeah, but that's all like, I mean, it's not something that I told you, but it is all the strategy of SAP. They came up with the roadmap stating that, I don't know, like maybe they will change their dates or something, but that is what they came up initially, and after that they didn't mention any other date also, like nothing stating that they extend it or nothing like that. Probably, I'm not pretty sure, guys, that is what the roadmap they came up.
But
Ajay,
your advice would be to move into success factor? Because
yeah, in fact, like that's where your future is there, guys. It's not that you're coming to my training, but that is where the cloud is the go forward solution for any system. It's not only your HCM functionality, but any systems you're seeing right now nowadays, everyone is talking about cloud only. No one is interested in investing their amount on on-premise systems.
Right.
And in fact, the development time is much faster when you compare with on-premise. Yeah. Yes, I do agree that there are limitations on the cloud because you cannot do the similar kind of things that you do on-premise. But still, because of the time to market and the cost that they are going to complete the project or the implementation and the kind of time it takes to do any sort of enhancement, it is very less compared to your on-premise system.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's very user friendly also.
Oh yeah, in fact, that's a big advantage. Yeah, I forgot about that, yes. And performance also.
Can you please send me the...
Sure.
Mohsen here. Can you send me the link for provisioning as well? Because that link is not going through. I just tried it again.
Yeah, I'll do that, Mohsen. I'll do that.
Sorry. One more question I want to ask you regarding the certification. The certification exam is going to be on Employee Central, correct?
Yes.
How much of the mastery side is that going to use? Is it going to be...
Mastery is the thing that will give you the foundation to understand the complete success factor system.
Okay.
Without doing your mastery, if you jump onto Employee Central, right, you don't understand that.
Okay, so for Employee Central, what about the other modules like workforce and compensation? Will that be a part of that certification process when they ask?
No, it's not part of that EC certification.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it will be Introduction to Mastery and the EC.
Yeah, EC, and to some extent your workforce analytics is going to be helpful.
Okay, workforce analytics.
Raghu,
Yeah.
Raghu, can we have the EC part after this workforce analytics, because we have registered for the certification in April?
Let me think about Anushmita. April, like anyhow, by April you will be able to complete the complete training also, Anushmita. Don't worry about that. But let me think about. But as I told you right earlier, we have like it's beneficial to go in this fashion. But if like say, don't worry about it. April is the when. Yeah. No, April is the time that you registered, right? You don't worry about that. You will get enough time.
Raghu, yeah, if we really can do the EC part first, it would be helpful.
Well, there's nobody can do the EC when he said it's something that is progressive. So why would you jump the guns?
Yeah. No, we'll talk about that, guys. Don't worry.
There's
Don't
no
worry about it.
dependency,
No.
right?
Don't worry. It's not dependency. It's the way how the projects are being handled. It's not. There is no stopping gate for you to do EC or to do some other module. But it's all up to us. Like however you want to proceed, right? We can do that, guys. So don't worry about it. Don't much. We have enough time. And as you told her, April, right? You'll get enough time, Shmita. We'll talk about that. Don't worry.
Can you also reset your password? This is Hari Raghu.
Sure. I'll do that, Hari. I replied to your right. I'll do that, Hari.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, Raghu, I have a question.
Raghu.
Hello.
Yeah, which part of the model that deals with ticketing?
Pardon, Victor?
Which part of the models deals with ticketing?
Hey, I'm not getting your question, Victor.
I said, which part of the models that deals with ticketing?
Which modules of the part we are ticketing in?
I've got ticketing in.
Oh, okay. We are going to work on your goal management. Usually, like this is the trend that I'll follow. Your performance management, compensation, then employee central. This is what I follow, guys. Because the moment you activate, right, employee central, you see that there is a lot of difference between the system. The way system behaves, right, it is going to be totally different. Still, you will be able to see all the modules, but the way you work, right, it is going to be different, guys. Everything is readily available to you in your all other modules. You lose that flexibility. When the moment everything is available, right, there are a lot of concepts that we are supposed to discuss in goals, performance, and compensation. You will lose all those things. The data, say if I am talking about compensation data, if there is no employee central, right, I have to load the data using the CSV files, and I have to do a manual integration between GM, PM, and compensation. But the moment you activate the employee central, right, everything is tightly coupled. You have the centralized repository, which is your employee central, and every module can read from that repository. You don't need to do the manual loading, or you don't need to keep the manual synchronization and integration between these modules.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the reason like I follow this pattern, so that people, yes, if they have advantage, yes, they go ahead and use the EC, but if they don't get a chance to work on EC, right, still they know like how to work on the other systems.
Raghu, what are success factor connectors?
No, connectors, don't talk about connectors. Usually the connectors comes into picture like whenever you have some backend system, right? Your Bizex is the front end, right? You have like backend system, like say best example is your LMS server. So how the system is going to connect with your LMS server is using connectors, and it got its own LMS connectors, guys. So every module, let's say you have benefit system, benefits doesn't support on success factors, at least as of now. So you have standard connectors provided by success factors to communicate with those backend servers.
Okay, Raghu, do you have any documentation on this?
Yeah. You will get like enough documentation. Name it, I'll give you.
Okay, just me.
Yeah, don't concentrate on too many things, guys. I mean, it's good to know things, but like don't go through into the complete connectors, because no one will ask you like until unless you are a LMS consultant, right? No one will ask you or you are a benefit consultant. No one will ask you about those things. Yeah, and I mean, don't take it on the other side. Yes, but like as you are starting, do a slow start rather than jumping on too many things, guys. It's just a suggestion, Tasnim, don't mind.
Yes, over there, Raghu, somebody asked me this question. Do you know something about connectors? Asking for you.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Raghu, do we have any session on LMS? I mean, starting, because I saw your email.
Yeah. Today, I mean, I'm not taking LMS, guys. In fact, like I don't know like much about LMS, but some other fellow is taking LMS batch, and today is the first training session for that. Yeah. Yep. Okay, guys. I'm just closing the session for today, and we'll meet tomorrow session at the same time, guys.
Prabhu,
Yeah, go ahead, Srini.
Prabhu, this is Sri. Can you send me the details of that LMS model?
Sure. Yeah, I'll do that, Srini.
Thanks.
Yep.
LMS and recruiting too, if you have any of those things.
Yeah, I have the recruiting. I don't have the timelines when we will be starting, but I'll send you the course content, all those things. But LMS, yes, I have the timelines and everything, Srini. I'll share those details, Srini.
Okay, perfect.
So how much is that, Raghu?
I'll send the details in email, Victor. I'll drop an email to you.
All right.
Yeah.
Please send me the email as well, Raghu Mohsen here.
Yeah, sure, I'll do that, guys. In fact, I will send that to everyone. Yep.
Raghu, please send it to me also. I send drop you a mail on recruitment training.
Sure, definitely, Nirmal.
Thanks.
Yep. I'll do that for everyone, guys.
Thanks, Raghu.
Yep.
Thanks, Raghu.